So what you can do is you can add in animated objects as you like inside of your project in Adobe Premiere Elements. So for that, you need to be in expert mode, and over here on the right hand side you can see that add graphics, that is add animated graphics, is an option, and there are various animated graphics that you can choose from over here. Like, let's say for example, you can go around and bring in the starfish right here, and these are simply little medias right here that you can bring in, as you can see right here. So this one is not animated right here, but you can see that there's animated objects, animated overlays, and so forth, which are animated. So let's just go around and bring this in right here, and whatever is not downloaded, it will simply get downloaded from Adobe's server right here and will appear in the project just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. So this is what you have. This is the animated object right here. Let me just go around and keep the starfish over here on the top. So let's just go around and keep the starfish. Let me just press Ctrl Z, and there you go, the starfish over here on the top, and this is what you have right here. This is the end result, as you can see, just like this. So similarly, you can go around and there are a lot of animated objects right here. Let me just go around and bring in, let's say for example, a video footage right here. So I'm just going to go around onto video. Let me just bring in this, and I'm going to go around and bring this in over here. So this is a video footage. So there are animated overlays over here that you can utilize as well. So right now it's showing all, but you can go around and get for photos right here. You can go around for review video mats right here. There's sports and hobbies, video backgrounds, home, and so forth, as you can see right here. Let me just go around over here onto, let's say for example, animated overlays right here, and let me just go around and utilize this one. So I'm just going to go around and keep that in right here, and you can see that that asset is being downloaded over here just like this. So it's being downloaded. Let it be downloaded right here just like that, and then there you go, there's the bokeh effect right here just like this, and this is the overlay that you can add in. Let me just go around over here on the effects right here. So for the opacity section, let me just go around and choose multiply or lighten right here just like this, lighten, or maybe screen right here just like this, and change around the opacity, and this is the end result, as you can see right here. So you can go around, get some effect to your videos by using these animated overlays right here. So there are many animated objects right here, animated overlays, and everything else, as you can see, that you can work around with inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.